Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about arrays in C language. Let us start. As you know, arrays are very important in any language because with normal variables like int a equals to some value, with normal variables you can't implement some of the functionalities. You must need to use arrays. Suppose in a class you have 70 students and you need to display the marks of each student. In those cases, with the normal variables, it is very difficult. For each student, you need to declare like int student one marks equals to some marks. Like that, you need to put each and every student marks in a variable. It is very difficult to write. Suppose if you want to display marks of complete college, suppose the college has 1,000 students, you need to declare each and every variable of the marks, then you need to print it. It is very tedious job. In those situations, arrays are very useful. Not only that, while getting the data from database, as you know, in database, data will be stored in tables, and while returning, it will return as arrays. Usually it's written as JSON, or in other format, we will convert it into arrays. And just we will loop and we will do whatever the logic we want to, or we will print the output. Now we will see the syntax of array. Syntax will be same as normal variable. Just you need to provide the type. Here we are going to provide the int. We are going to create a integer array. For that you need to provide the what is the type. Suppose if you want to create double, just you need to provide double or string, whatever the variable you want. Just you need to provide the type. Then variable name. Suppose we want to display marks. Okay. Then you need to open braces and close braces. This is the syntax. Then once it is declared, then you need to provide the data. Here we are going to provide marks 99, 67, 87, 88 and 87. Okay. Just you need to open the curly brace and you need to close the curly brace and you need to provide the data with a comma separate. Okay. This is the basic syntax. If you don't know the size, just you can declare like this. Suppose if you know the size, here you know in a class you have 5 students, then just you can declare the size. Just you can declare like that. Most of the time we will not provide any size. Okay. Now to print the data, just you can use here we have 5 elements. Okay. You can print each element. Okay. For this, just you need to use printf and percentage %d. Here, the main thing is while getting the each element, you need to provide the index. Here, the element 99 is the first element in this array, and 67 is the second element, 87 is the third element, like that. But the index will be start from 0. 99 index will be 0, and 67 index will be 1, 87 2, 88 3, 87 4, like that. To get the 87, the element is third element, and if you want to get the element, you need to provide marks of the index will be, this is the third element, the index will be 2, element minus 1. Just I'm closing it, I will build it and I will done it. If you observe, it's printed 87. This is the third element, but the index is 2. And now we are going to print, suppose 87. What is the element? This is the fifth element. Okay. For the fifth element, if you want to print, the index will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay. Now again I will build and I will run it. If you observe, this is 87. Now we will see how to loop and print the data. Okay. Now just I will remove it. Now we have 5 elements. Suppose in a class, this is the marks of a single student. Okay, 88. This is 6 subjects marks, and now we want to display the data for each 99, 67, 87 in that way. For this we can use for loop. Okay. Now we are going to write for, we need to write the initial element I equals to 0, then I less than. Here we have total 6 elements. That's why 6. Because this is less than, this is not equal. For the 88, the uh, element ID is 6. So the index will be 5. Okay. And I plus plus. Okay, now first I will print marks of index will be I. Okay, first it will goes to the 0 means 99, then it will increment it to 167, again it will increment to 287, like that it will print it. Okay, and also just we will provide the next line. Okay, now I will build it and I will run it. If you observe, this is 99, 67, 87, 88, 87, 88. And suppose if you want to display only first three subjects, then just you need to change the I value. Now I will build it and I will rerun it. If you observe, this is 99, 67, and 87. And if you want to display the sum of the all the subjects of a student, then what you can do? First, you can provide the variable. Okay, in total marks equals to 0. Okay, now we are going to add, each time we are going to add marks. I will remove this. Total marks equals to total marks plus marks of I. Okay, once it is done, we are going to print the marks, and here I am going to change, we are going to print sum the total marks. Print total marks. Okay, now what the logic is very simple. Initially the total marks is 0, then it's 0, total marks equals to 0 plus marks of I 99, then the I will be changed to 1, it will get the 67. Now the total marks is 99, 99 plus 67, then it repeats. Previously we have 99 plus 67, then for the third time it adds this 87. Okay, now I will build it and I will run it. If you observe, the total marks are 516. Okay, and you can sometimes we need to write a function and just we need to send the array. Now we will see how to send array to the function as an input for input element. Now we are going to write just I will int I want average. Okay, I will write a method average marks. Okay, and the input is int marks. Okay, I will use the same here. Just okay. Again, we are looping it. Once we have the complete total marks, just we are going to average the marks. Just I will declare one more variable here. Int avg marks. Avg marks equals to total divided by 6. Okay, and just I will copy paste. Okay, now initially we have average marks and total marks. First we got the total marks and then just we are dividing it by 6. Now we got the average marks, just we are going to return average marks. Okay, see the average marks, and here I will remove everything. Just int avg marks equals to average marks. I'm going to send this marks as input parameter. Just you need to provide the just marks. No need to provide the square braces. Okay, now I will close it and I'm going to print this average marks here. That's it. Now I will build it and I will run it. Average is 86. Okay, I think you understood the logic. Just initially we declared two variables and we are looping just like previously, and we are adding the total marks, and average marks equals to total marks divided by the total number of subjects. Here 6, and we are returning the average marks. Here just the main point is, if you want to send the array to any method, just you can send it like the marks. Okay friends, today we got some basic idea of arrays. In our next video, we are going to discuss about multi-dimensional arrays. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.